face. Tell me that you love me.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel G.SKILL, and in today's video I'm gonna give you a latest news that is teased by a Flipkart on its homepage, and you can see that a poster that is being teased by a Flipkart here is showing the Oneplus KILLER is on its way, more than just the speed you need. And it's a tagline of OnePlus 6, and it is a hashtag for wait for 10, and here it is written 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. When you will open it, there is a page that show you that OnePlus KILLER is on its way, the most stunning smartphone ever, the best flagship performance, redefining camera with artificial intelligence, and flagship features, killer price. It may be the Honor 10 that is going to launch globally on May 15th on maybe some other smartphones, but I am sure that it will be Honor 10, so we have to wait till May 15 to news to be clear. And if it will be launched under the same price tag, about less than 35,000, it will definitely kill the OnePlus 6 market. And yes, we have to wait till May 15. So this was a short update on this teaser. So hope you guys have loved this video, and if you do so, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Signing out, G.SKILL. Have a nice day.